Hi everyone, I'm Alex, the partner of Huiyi Law Firm. Today I'm going to talk a little about the foreign company establishment process in China. This is going to give you a basic information of how to set up company and the process of setting up a company in China right now. The process of setting up a company in China is generally related to the following procedures. The first is the preparation before setting up. Second is a registration procedure. Third is a tax registration. The fourth is open bank account. And the fifth is employee recruiting. And the sixth is company operation. Before the preparation of the company setting up, you also need to know some like the basic things about establishment of especially the foreign funded enterprises in China. Usually the first step is to to get the approval of the name of the newly establishment foreign funded enterprises, and choose the establishment types, such as what kind of company type you want to choose, the liability company, the joint stock company, or the limited partnership, a special general partnership. Also some company, if you want to set up in China, you need to get the pre-approval of the Commerce Bureau, Economic Development Bureau, Financial Supervisory Bureau, and other approval procedures. And also you might need to get the Public Security Bureau for the record procedure approval, and also the Tax Bureau registration procedures, and also the Foreign Exchange Bureau registration. If you want to do some, the cross-border business. And these are some general procedures you might need to get through if you want to open a foreign funded enterprises. So above are some basic steps or approval you might need to get through the Chinese government. And then in the following, I will introduce some most important steps of setting up companies. The first type of preparation before setting up is to select company type. There are various company types you can select at China, such as a limited liability company, a joint stock limited company, and a partnership company. The limited liability company is the most common type of company set up by foreign companies in China, with independent legal personality, and the shareholders are liable to the company to the extent of their capital contribution. A joint stock limited company is another common type of company established by foreign companies in China, in which the shareholders are liable to the company to the extent of the shares subscribed by them. Partnership company. Partnership company is a special type of company established by foreign company in China, in which the partners are liable to the company to the extent of their capital contributions. The second is to select the registration location. When select the company registration location, you need to know the following things. The first is to know the local law. Understand the local company registration regulation, tax policies, industry access, etc., in order to choose the most suitable place of the registration of your company. The second is assess the market environment to evaluate the local market demand competition, consumer performance, etc., in order to select the most suitable registration location. The third is a consideration of the cost factors. To consider local rents, labor costs, logistics costs, etc., in order to choose the most suitable place for the registration of your company. The third part is the preparation of the registered capital. When preparing the registered capital, first you need to determine the amount of the registered capital. Determine the appropriate amount of the registered capital based on the company's size and business needs. The second is the preparation of proof of registered capital. You need to prepare the bank deposit certificates, asset evaluation reports, and other materials to prove authenticity and the legality of the registered capital. And the third is the registration of a registered capital. You need to submit the documents proving the registered capital to the local administration